In the world we live in, as one form of influence fades, another rises to take its place. Today, we want to talk about evolution.
The evolution in the energy industry we experience today is actually part of a long-standing process. In this journey, GoodWe is committed to being a major driving force, accelerating the smart energy transition.
By combining our self-developed hardware and software products, our comprehensive, integrated, future-ready solutions are making power production and consumption easier, greener, and smarter. Inverters are at the core of our complete product portfolio, trusted by homeowners, business owners, and large-scale project developers worldwide. Backed by substantial R&D investments, we are proud to deliver high-quality and innovative products to over 100 countries. Energy evolution is a continuous journey. We believe the world will be a better place because of smart energy. And along the way, we will always be GoodWe.